Hello guys, I hope you all are safe and great at your home. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about our bathroom tour come bathroom organization. We all know that in this lockdown it is getting very difficult to keep our bathroom organized. So in this video I will be sharing you few tips and tricks where you can keep your bathroom clean and organized. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Also do not forget to like and share our video. So let's start the video. We are able to organize our kitchen, bedrooms, living room, guest room, but sometimes organizing and keeping bathroom hygienic and clean become a very difficult task, especially these days when the entire family is at home. Also with organization and cleanliness of bathroom, it becomes very important to take care of bathroom essentials according to every family member's need. Through this video of mine, you may get some innovative creative idea to organize your bathroom. Also, I wish to mention that the jute boxes, black tags and popsicle stick wall decor is all made by me, and this bathroom is completely cost free. So in our house we have two bathrooms. This is our first bathroom which is connected to our master bedroom, and something what you see is a bathroom guide, a small bathroom guide which is put at the entry of bathroom. Now let's see how you can organize your bathroom and which are the bathroom essentials which should be there in bathroom. Like soap and body wash, bath salt is also very important bathroom essential commodity. This is a DIY bathroom salt which I have made by mixing pink Himalayan salt, rock salt and some lavender vaporizing oil. With bath salt, I always see to it that I keep extra soaps in soap jar, cotton pads and cotton balls for makeup removing, also some extra tissues and some personal essential items. The glass jars which you see on this wooden shelf is all recycled. Once upon a time these glass bottles were coffee bottles, but once the coffee got over, I started using to keep our bathroom essentials. Also the black tag which you see are handmade by me and painted with acrylic paint. With organized and clean bathrooms, it's very important that our bathroom should smell good. So here I am using a lavender fragrance freshener from Odonil. So ideally we love to keep plants in balcony, but I also love to keep plants in my bathroom. That too air purifying plant like money plant and snake plant. Before marriage I have seen my mother lighting diya in bathroom. She even does it today. So she believed that lighting a diya in bathroom takes out the negativity from entire house. So I am following the same tradition. I always light a candle or a diya during evening times in my bathroom. Guys, purifying air in bathroom just like other room is very important. So I will highly recommend you to put snake plant or money plant in your bathroom. These days, washing hand has become mandatory routine, and that is the reason I made this small DIY jute basket to keep that extra hand wash. With making jute basket, I also made this hexagonal popsicle stick wall decor shelf. And to add further to this, I added this artificial jade plant with ceramic pot. This popsicle stick wall decor and all the jute baskets which you see in the video are the part of my DIY project. Also, I will recommend you that please do not buy these decorative items from online market because they are very costly. In fact, invest some time to make these DIY decor items. On this shelf, I have kept Profil alcohol, Dettol, hand sanitizer because this is the need of an hour. Keeping sanitizer in bathrooms are now very important. On same shelf, I have kept my body lotion, talcum powder and towels. To keep the corners of shelf and boxes dry, I use these silica gel packets. They keep the areas dry and clean. In these difficult times, taking shower with hot water is mandatory. So in my bathroom, I have a facility of hot water and cold water both. Bathrooms are incomplete without mirror, so you should have at least one mirror in bathroom. Also, this panda reminds me to save electricity. Now this is one side of my bathroom. Let me take you to another side of bathroom. Now another side of bathroom, we have these hooks where we can keep our clothes hanging. Also have kept few hangers. It's always important that you should pamper yourself, and this is my pampering kit. Whatever you see in this box all belongs to mine, like my body mist, my deodorants. This is my hair serum, my toner, gulab gel, body wash and some talcum powder. At same shelf we have some shampoos and basic dental care stuff. Always remember to keep hand wash beside wash basin, dustbin, cleaning brush and bucket. Always remember to make your bathroom look bigger and brighter, use bright color tiles. I love the combination of tiles which is used in my bathroom. So this was a tour of our first bathroom. Now let's move to second bathroom. And this is our beautiful second bathroom. I personally love this decor, and this was the part of my DIY project. As soon as I open the door, what I see is my favorite thing, plants. I have planted money plant and snake plant in this bathroom. Also, I have reused the bottles and decorated with jute cloth and twines. Plants which you see in these bathrooms are all air purifying plants, even in my first bathroom and in my second bathroom. This bathroom is mostly used by my mother-in-law, so you will see all her stuff which is kept here because this bathroom is very near to her room. So here we have kept all her basic essentials. I have kept this artificial plant to enhance the look of the entire shelf. You have already seen second shelf. Now this is the first shelf where we have kept her talcum powder, Dettol, her toothpaste, toothbrush and some basic essentials. Like first bathroom, even second bathroom is equipped with all facilities and basic bathroom essentials. So hoping that you must have got some idea of organizing your bathroom. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also do leave in your feedback in the comment section. This is Vibha signing off.